Landed on a PY file and need to know how to execute it or just peek at the code inside. Python is everywhere from web apps to data science to automation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll get you running Python scripts in minutes. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single PY file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. PY files are source code script files, written in the Python programming language, one of the world's most popular languages, for web development, data science, machine learning automation, and general-purpose programming. They contain human-readable Python code that is interpreted and executed by the Python runtime environment. PY files are source code script files written in the Python programming language, one of the world's most popular languages for web development, data science, machine learning automation, and general-purpose programming. They contain human-readable Python code that is interpreted and executed by the Python runtime environment. The proper file association links PY directly to the Python solution by Python Software Foundation. Windows does not offer the necessary repair tools if the file header is damaged or malicious. Windows treats them as text by default, so interpretation is handled by the right runtime. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the PY file and choose Open With. Start with Python if available. If not, select another application from the list. If you still cannot open your PY file, that is okay. You're dealing with a stubborn file. Let's test the following common failure points to see where the problem is originating. First, read the source code. Open the PY file in Visual Studio Code with the Python extension or any text editor with syntax highlighting. The code structure is visible through Python's indentation-based formatting. Review import statements at the top to identify required libraries and dependencies before attempting to run the script. Next, install Python and run. Download and install Python from python.org, ensuring you check. Add Python to path during installation. Open a terminal and navigate to the file directory. Run python filename.py to execute the script. Install any missing package dependencies using pip install package name if import errors occur. Finally, debug and troubleshoot. If errors occur, read the traceback message carefully as Python provides clear line numbers and error descriptions. Use Visual Studio Code's built-in Python debugger with breakpoints by pressing F5 or run. Python mpdb file name.py for command line debugging to step through code and inspect variable values. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.